This is a demonstration of how NodeRED and CE can be used together to utilize various data sources. In this scenario, we're looking for possible staging areas in the event of a flood. We start by initializing our CE store, which can be done with the click of a button using this NodeRED flow. And then we load in our data. The data we've got to look at are a list of schools with their postcodes and number of students. So we begin by conceptualizing the school concept in our CE store, and then we load in our list of schools into the CE store. If we refresh this, we'll now see that we have 116 schools. We can now use the postcodes to get latitude and longitude values. This is using information from an online API. And similarly, we can get elevations from the latitude and longitudes. As we see here. So now we want to work out which of these schools could be possible staging areas. We begin by conceptualizing the possible staging area concept. And now we can use CE's rules to try and work out which ones would work. So we drag on school. We're after two things here. We want to look at the number of pupils, because we need the school to be large enough. So we'll stipulate that a school with over 1,000 pupils will have a large enough pool to be a staging area. And we'll also have a look at the elevation, because the higher the school is, the less likely it is to have been affected by the flooding. So we can add that too. This is currently in query syntax, but we want to rule, because we want to establish an end result, not just find values that have this property. So now if we execute this rule, we end up with one possible staging area, school number 28, which has 1,244 pupils and an elevation of around 109 meters. We can visualize all this information in the CE map. So first we drag on our schools, and this shows us the distribution of schools that we're considering. And if we now drag the possible staging area concept on, we find that this is the staging area